Hey loves, so I'm coming to you today to film my 1 week DIY Microloc update. A long time ago when I originally wanted to start my loc journey, I did want sister locks. But the place I'm currently in my life, I cannot afford sister locks, and I knew I wanted to lock my hair. Alright, so I'm saying that because even though trainees do start at $450 in some areas and consultants, $600 up, I do not know the length of my hair, but I do know it does not hit the length requirement for the cheap price through trainees, and I cannot afford the consultant price because I gotta pay for school. So yeah, your girl was trying to be locked. I was going to wait till my birthday, but I don't feel like going through all of that, and I won't be in the area, so why not get out the way, right? Also, the Facebook groups taught me just go ahead with it, why wait around? Friday after Christmas, your girl decided let's lock it, and this is my hair dry. So forewarning you, I did wash my hair 3 times because my mom felt it was slick, and my hair is a little slick when wet. But the Dominicans didn't do that. This is my hair with ACV and aloe in it. She wanted me to do a steam treatment. These are the same sections that we use to twist my hair up. This is me sitting under the steamer to go ahead, she wanted a deep cleaning of my scalp even though we didn't trim my ends. So on December 29th of 2019, my mom finished twisting my hair. These are my babies, they're micro. It took her 3 days to twist my hair. She used the aloe vera juice that she created, so it does have a little crunch as you can see, but I love them. That's all that matters. And the lock to part ratio had to be enough to equip for my head. So many of you don't know because I did delete my own video. I was diagnosed with alopecia areata, and it was my first grade year in elementary school, and definitely was a hard time, but hey, I've definitely learned over time that I can't keep my stress internalized because it really flares all of my body up, not just my hair. And yes, so this is definitely gonna be a carefree journey that I'm ready for. The main thing that a lot of locticians that I talk to worry about is if you install, do not install during a flare-up because that just adds on to the stress. So I have not had an active flare-up in over a year, even with the stress of last year for those that follow me on Instagram. Because of these flare-ups, I've been able to experiment with asymmetrical cuts, which led to my undercut and me thinking I could do my own haircut. So my right side's still in a bob, right? And then my left side is all the way down here. I had a Dominican blowout done before I decided to lock my hair. I just wanted to see the whole length before. I jacked my hair up last year, January, and it has been growing in lopsided, which is why we have this whole thing. She twisted my hair with aloe vera juice. You guys are gonna get tired of me saying aloe, but all she used is aloe vera juice and twisted, like pure aloe from the plant, which you can get from Trader Joe's. If you don't have it outside, you can get it from Mom's, Whole Foods, international stores. I recommend you visit because most of the products you guys need are there. Basically, I don't know. I haven't had any changes. It's my first week. That's not true. Some of my twists will not come undone already. Like the bottom is already tangled within each other. I don't know if that's because my ends are trash, but I have noticed some changes, and I haven't had issues with slippage to my knowledge. Well, on my sideburns, yes, but they're a little softer. And yes, hopefully by the end of this month, I'll find a loctician that I like, so that way I can get an interlock done on my roots. The dope thing about it is, as you can see in the twist right there, match what my coil pattern used to be in that area, so they are tightly woven. And
that is a lie.
JK, I don't see a coil, but it is tight in that area. Y'all see it too? I did feel like this was the perfect moment to share with you guys my loose natural hair a couple weeks leading up to the loc journey. So I did a protein treatment by Shea by Nay, and these are the results. So check out her website. So I did my protein treatment about 2 weeks before, and I stopped using all product on my hair to get ready for the process. Here goes my hair with the actual washout before I got to being on the floor. This is definitely the short side. This is the longer side, as you guys see, and you see the bounce and the juice or whatever. And you see my little struggling edges, but it's okay. They gonna get there. They really gonna get there. I did have sideburns still, but I got them cut off when I got my undercut cut, sadly. It's cool though. It's the perfect time to tell you guys I did not trim my ends. Like, I love it. I honestly love this style with me. It's cute or whatever. I should have did this a long time ago before I got to the stage in college. Like, should have did this before. So in the back is my undercut, which is growing back in. I did have a couple spots. They're probably still there, but they're growing in. They used to be so bad. This is what the back looks like, honestly. So you could probably see how it's up here, definitely like a gap, and then it comes down, and then here is a cross. That right there, my friends, is me cutting my hair. I'll show you guys a close-up of like my lock to part ratios in the front and the back, because the back is a bit bigger versus the front, which is where all the fullness comes from. So I'm really contemplating taking some of the back out and making them smaller to add to the fullness in the back, so it's not as flat. Since it doesn't have as much length, it doesn't have the chance to have that bounce that's up front. And as you can see, like during this time my locks seem stiff. I washed them and they're moving.
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? For real, stiff what? Ooh.
Alright, so I'm gonna go through pulling through my hair to show you guys different parts of my head and the length. So I'm gonna start with the right side. I did not clip my ends before I started this process, so the end is not really how long my hair is. Here's a better piece. That's where my hair lands. Up front, it starts there. That piece is broken off, but it still comes there. And then on my left side, you see where my hair goes. And there's definitely a difference, as you guys can see. So I really did mess my hair up. I do not recommend cutting your hair at home by yourself if you do not know what you're doing. We're gonna go ahead and head to the back. So you can see, like, yeah, my right side is so much shorter. I don't know, I'll get over it. Maybe it'll grow in real nice. If not, I'll get it cut. Originally I wanted curly ends, and now I really don't know, so if I don't. But I do want that middle part where my hair broke off to grow in, so I can somewhat get like a lock bang, if you guys know what I mean. I don't know, sometimes when I style, it go with my outfits versus just my middle part, or I've started doing like a flip over. And honestly, I'm just going with the journey. It'll lead me wherever. I really do not care about how it looks, and it's crazy how I have this whole transformation versus when I had my bundles in. I was like, alright, so my hair blending, it's not blending, alright, cool. My twist I would do myself, alright, my hair's popping out, gotta redo it. Like, now I'm just chilling and it's nice.